Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your AirPods, or for some reason, one AirPod is not working, whether it's the left one or the right one. Now, this happens every once in a while, and this mostly has to do with either one of two things, and it's usually one thing, which is the battery. So typically, as long as the AirPods that you have are yours and you're not, you didn't mismatch somebody else's AirPods in your case, typically what happens is your AirPods within them, if you're constantly using one AirPod over and over and over again over the other one, sometimes the battery can actually die within one AirPod before the other one is, or, when the other one you're not using is fully fine. So in this case, let's say I'm using one AirPod all day, and let's say I'm done with this one and I will use the other one. Well, if you're using this one, then the battery of this one is already like halfway done, and at some point it's going to die before this one. So as long as you're understanding of that, then you can pretty much, kind of see what's going on in your specific situation. Now, the other thing you want to do is make sure that within the case itself, there's nothing stopping the AirPod from charging. So with any of the AirPods out there, the 3s, the 2s, the Pros, except the Maxes, you want to make sure there's nothing stuck in there. If there's a lot of gunk and stuff stuck within there, then your AirPod is not going to be able to charge. You also want to make sure the bottom of your AirPods is charged too. So you want to go ahead and clean out anything that's within there, and then you want to slide your AirPod back in, and you want to make sure it's charging. Now, as long as it's charging, you should be able to be good to go. However, if for some reason the AirPod is still not charging, you may want to make sure that the case itself isn't malfunctioning in that specific area. I've seen a lot of people get water in their AirPods case and drop their AirPods case all the time, and there's many components in this case. And if you accidentally drop it too much, or if you accidentally put water on one side, you can short circuit certain, boards, I'm sure, within this specific AirPod, whether it's the left one or the right one. And one AirPod side may be working, but the other one may not be. So that's a big thing you need to do, is to understand what you did to the case and see if there's any problems there. Now, for some reason, nothing else is working and it doesn't seem like you did anything else wrong with your case, well, you may have to go ahead and reset your AirPods and reconnect them to your device. So you want to go ahead and hold down this button that's on the back of these AirPods, which is right here, and you want to make sure the lid is open, and you want to go and hold this down until your AirPods are actually fully blinking white or whatever it is. So you can see right here, now if I go and bring my other iPhone close to it, you can see that I will be able to actually see that the AirPods want to connect to my AirPods or my iPhone. I can go and click connect. It might say, set up whatever, click not now. And you want to go ahead and see if this actually works. Now, as long as this works, you should be good to go. Now, if this still doesn't work and your AirPods are actually not working, I would probably recommend contacting Apple and seeing what they can do and seeing if there's some weird issue that was going on. You can try updating your iPhone too and see if that fixed it. But a majority of the time, you should be good to go. If you're still experiencing issues like I mentioned, you should probably contact Apple. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.